Welcome to the Ampere with DOOGEE V20, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So let's first open the Play Store application, and after that here in search pool let's enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application downloading and installing on your device. And after that just tap here to open the app, click here yes I agree, pick close, tap to OK, and here we can see now the information what the temperature of our device battery. In my case that's 30.6, and here also you can find more information like the battery level, capacity, health, just voltage, device model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.